It's called Pewdie. Okay, hey, what is up, guys? Sorry I haven't made a video in like a month, but I'm back, and I will be making vids regularly on this channel again. So yeah, thank you to all those people that subscribed while I was gone. I got like 45 subscribers or something while I was gone, so I'm like in the 60s. I'm gonna start making videos again because I just don't want this channel to go to waste with 60 subs. I could get close to 100. And 100 is a big deal to me. It's probably not to other people. It's like, oh, 100, big deal. It is to me because this is kind of a hobby. If you want to say that. But yeah, I'm back on this channel again. I'll be making vids regularly, probably 2 to 3 a week, maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, I've been using the Brick is Awesome channel while I've been gone from this channel. It's a DVD review and like DVD update unboxing channel. Please go check that out. Please subscribe. Link will be in the description box, so wherever that is, it's on the bottom. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I'm back. That's all I pretty much have to say. So yeah, I'll check you guys later.